I used to hate cooking. I'm one of those people who would gladly just chuck all the nutrients and the superfoods into a blender and have a smoothie every day. You know, the mere thought of having to come up with 3 creative meals every day used to drive me crazy. And having to do it day in and day out, it's madness. But I've been thinking about it all this time, and I realized that I might not enjoy cooking so much, but what I love is sitting down around a table with my special people, eating palatable food, having amazing conversations, connecting deeply, having fun. So I cook. At the moment I'm making a nice chicken curry, which is one of my favorites that I'm known for. I make a pretty good one. And I want to invite you, if you want to get to know me and find out how I turn these little things around into great things, how I get up and grow from even the smallest things that used to get me down. Join me in my Get Up and Grow community, which is going to launch sometime this week. Watch the space. Cheers.